Do you ever get itchy hands for no reason? Or notice strange white patches on your nails? What if I told you these odd symptoms could be signs your liver is slowly shutting down? Most people think liver disease only affects alcoholics. That's not true. In fact, millions of people have liver damage and don't even know it until it's too late. Your liver is silently screaming for help, and it's doing it through your skin, your nails, your eyes, even your feet. In this video, we're going to cover 10 of the weirdest signs that your liver might be dying, and the everyday mistakes that could be making it worse. And if you stay until the end, I'll show you 3 powerful things you can start doing today to help your liver repair itself naturally. The real danger of missed liver signs. Your liver has one job: to filter out the junk that's slowly poisoning your body. But when your liver starts to fail, that junk builds up in your blood, your skin, your organs, and that's when the real problems begin. The scary part: liver damage often shows up in ways most people would never expect. No pain, no obvious signs, just small, strange symptoms that seem unrelated. But your body is talking to you if you know how to listen. Let's break down the 10 weirdest signs your liver could be in serious trouble. Sign Gen 1. Itchy palms or feet. If you ever feel an annoying, unexplained itch on the bottom of your feet or the palms of your hands, it might not be dry skin. It could be your liver. When the liver is damaged, it can't properly filter bile acids. These acids build up under the skin, triggering a strong itch, especially in your extremities. It's usually worse at night and doesn't respond well to lotion. Sign 2. Light or clay-colored stool. Stool color is something no one wants to talk about, but it's one of the clearest signs of liver function. Normally, your liver releases bile into the digestive tract. That bile gives your stool its healthy brown color. But when the liver is damaged, that flow slows down or stops, and the stool turns pale, gray, or clay-colored. Sometimes it might even float due to undigested fat. Signs on 3. Swollen right foot or ankle. Swelling in one foot, especially the right, can be a warning sign. Why? When liver damage affects blood flow, it puts pressure on the veins in your abdomen. This causes fluid to leak into your lower limbs. And because the liver sits on the right side of your body, that's usually where swelling shows up first. If pressing your thumb into your ankle leaves a dent that lingers, don't ignore it. Sign Gen 4. White patches or clubbing in fingernails. Your nails say more about your health than you think. If your fingernails start to turn all white or take on a bulbous, rounded shape known as clubbing, it might mean oxygen and nutrients aren't reaching the fingertips properly. This is often linked to low blood protein levels caused by a struggling liver. Signs in 5. Gritty, dry, or irritated eyes. Dry, sore, or gritty eyes, especially at night, can be tied to vitamin A deficiency. And where is vitamin A stored and processed? Your liver. If your liver is inflamed or fatty, it can't store and release vitamin A properly. This leads to night vision issues and eye discomfort, even if your diet hasn't changed. Signs in 6. Red or purple skin spots. Have you seen small red dots or blotches on your skin, often on your legs or arms? These are called petechiae or purpura. They appear when blood vessels become fragile due to poor liver function. Your liver makes proteins that help your blood clot. When it's damaged, clotting is affected and small leaks can show up as dots or bruises. Sign 7. Constant fatigue without reason. You sleep well, you eat okay, but you still feel wiped out all the time. This could be your liver crying for help. As toxins build up in your blood due to poor filtration, they affect brain function, hormone balance, and energy levels. Your body feels tired not from doing too much, but from your liver doing too little. Sign Gen 8. Spider veins on chest or face. Tiny red veins that branch out like spiders on your face, shoulders, or chest aren't just cosmetic. They're caused by increased estrogen, which the liver is supposed to clear out. When it can't, that estrogen builds up and weakens blood vessels. Spider veins can be an early warning that your liver is losing its grip. Sign 9. Yellowing skin or eyes. Jaundice. This is one of the most classic signs of liver trouble. If your skin or the whites of your eyes turn yellow, it means your liver isn't processing bilirubin properly, a yellow pigment made from broken down red blood cells. It builds up in the body and changes your color. Jaundice needs urgent attention. Don't wait on this one. Sign 10. Sudden bad breath that smells sweet or musty. This is one most people miss. If your breath smells sweet, musty, or like old fruit, and you haven't eaten anything funky, it could be a sign of liver dysfunction. This condition is called fetor hepaticus, and it happens when toxic compounds like D-methyl sulfide start leaking into the lungs because the liver can't filter them out. The liver can heal, but only if you act fast. Here's the good news. The liver is one of the only organs in the body that can fully regenerate. Even if it's 70% damaged, it can rebuild itself. But it needs your help. Here are 3 things you can start doing today to reduce liver stress and give it a chance to heal. Cut the sugar and refined carbs. Sugar, soda, white bread, pastries. These overload your liver with fat. Start switching to low glycemic fruits, whole grains, and healthy fats. Add bitter and sulfur-rich foods. Foods like arugula, dandelion greens, garlic, onions, broccoli, and kale stimulate bile flow and detox. They also increase glutathione, your liver's master antioxidant. Drink lemon water and coffee. Yes, really, coffee, in moderation, protects against liver scarring. Adding fresh lemon or lime to water in the morning boosts detox enzymes. Liver damage doesn't always come with flashing warning lights. Sometimes it's just dry eyes, or itchy palms, or a weird colored bathroom visit. But your body always gives you clues. It's your job to pay attention. If you've seen any of these signs, talk to your doctor. And more importantly, start changing the things you can control. Your diet, your daily habits, and the way you care for your liver. Because once the liver goes, everything else follows. Watch our next video to learn how to cleanse your liver naturally